Hey team, this is Chris from Force USA, and today we're going to be talking about the new X15 all-in-one trainer. So, the biggest changes on this machine from the previous version. We're going to start with the cables. So, previous version had a 2-to-1 cable ratio. What we've done, we've listened to you guys, we've added a 2-to-1 and 1-to-1 cable ratio, very similar to our G15. What you now have is the ability to go super heavy on those lat pull down, seated row movements. What we've also done on the weight stacks, we've moved it from a 286-pound weight stack to a 200-pound weight stack. With the addition of the two different cable ratios, you get a bigger lift without the need to ship around those expensive weights, which means you save on shipping and allows for a better machine overall. What we've also done is we've added band pegs to the weight stacks. So if you need that extra resistance, you can put a band around it, get that extra stretch for those heavy movements. From there, we're going to move to the trolleys. So inside of the trolleys, we've kept our knurling handle. We've added that silver pop pin, just like our C10 and our G12. What we've also done is uprights. We've kept the 3x3 uprights. We have 1-inch holes. We have 30 adjustment points at the bottom, west side spacing, just because you guys love it. From there, we've got 12 adjustment points above that, which are further spaced apart. Think double the distance from the bottom. On the inside, we've got 35 adjustment points for that trolley to move up and down 2 inches apart, so you know exactly where you're going to be. In terms of the uprights, we have etching on the front and etching on the inside with our numbers. What that does, keeps the structural integrity of the upright without having to laser cut everything, but you can clearly see the numbers on the inside. From there, we move up to the pull-up bar. You still have the option, as per the previous version, of having your single pull-up bar or your multi-grip pull-up bar. Super knurled, same design. You guys get to pick which one you prefer. From there, we're going to move to the internal dimensions. So, internally, you're looking at 43 inches, upright to upright. Height-wise, we are looking at 90 inches from the floor to the top of that pull-up bar. From there, depth-wise, we are looking at 42 inches from the front of that rack where your landmine and foot plate are to the back base plate of this machine. From there, internally, there will be enough space for you to do an incline bench press. We've made sure that is a staple in the training routine of anyone using this machine, so we've kept it the same for a super smooth user experience. From there, we move to the back of the machine. We've kept our nice base plate to keep it nice and sturdy. We've got a Olympic barbell plate holder on the back on each side. We've also got 4 adjustment points or barbell storage for your plates. They can be customized any point on that back upright. Looking at our attachments, we have our J-hooks, our newly designed J-hooks, same as our G12 and C10. We have a 7-inch clearance at the base plate. We've also got that plastic on the front. We also have the option of our roller J-hooks, very similar to our G20, with our insert that you can change over just by unscrewing that pin at the front. So you have the option there. What we've also done is improved our safeties. So we have increased the space or the depth of our safeties. So you do have a little bit more room at the front of the machine when using your barbell on the front power rack. We've also increased the material on the bottom, so it's a nice plastic coating so that your barbell does not get damaged if you do miss that lift. From there, extra attachments that are included with this machine. We have a base plate or a foot plate, allows you to do your seated rows or any closer movements towards the bottom, which is also adjustable. So you've got 6 inches of adjustability from front to back of your foot plate. We've also got a landmine attachment as well, which goes on the other side. Moving over to our attachments, we have obviously our single stirrup handles. We have our lat pull down bar, our straight connection bar. We have our straight bar or your curl bar. We have a tricep rope, close grip V-bar, ankle cuff with chains and carabiners included. Be sure to get that storage rack if you need a hand storing all your attachments. Optional extras with this X15 all-in-one trainer include your upgrade kit, which has, starting from the back, we have our shelves. We also have our dip handles, our sawtooth handle, our seat for your lat pull downs and your jammer arms. Also included is the TV mount if you want to get some media up while you are training. In terms of cable travel, with your 2-to-1, you have a 3-meter cable travel towards the front, so you get a real commercial experience. If you have the 1-to-1 cable ratio, you have a 1.3 meter cable travel. In terms of assembly time, don't listen to the critics out there. This took me 3 hours to build by myself yesterday. Grab a friend if you haven't done it before. Also, the tools and experience help there. That's it. If you want to get it today at forceusa.com.